My grandmother can't take the fatigue anymore until she took this. If you feel out of energy for daily tasks or very tired during the day, if you wake up in a bad mood or can't do physical activities, then this recipe is for you. We are going to need 2 carrots, which must be well washed. Then with a potato peeler we are going to remove the peel, in this way as I am doing. My grandmother loves walking, but lately she was feeling a lot of pain and lack of courage to walk, so I made this drink for her and it got a lot better and she was able to get back to her daily routine. Once the peel is removed from the carrot, we will cut it into slices. People, today I want to teach you to make this drink at home, which contains many nutrients and minerals for the body. Next, in the blender I will add the 2 sliced carrots. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of water to it. I will cover and liquefy at maximum speed for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. Now I am going to pass the mixture through a strainer, in order to remove the residues of the carrot. The carrot contains a lot of vitamin A. It also contains calcium, iron and magnesium, very good for health, because it helps us improve cholesterol and eyesight. The next ingredient that we are going to use for this drink will be 2 bananas, or also known in some countries as banana. Bananas and carrots act very well for our bones, as they are a source of vitamins and minerals. These fruits and nutrients are essential to feel ready for our daily routine. After I have removed the peel from the bananas, I will cut it into slices. I would like you to tell me, in which part of your body feels more pain, and also how long ago it began. Then I will pass the cut bananas to the blender. And I'll add 2 cups of the carrot juice I had reserved. Also, I'm going to add 2 cups of whole milk. I will cover the blender and blend for 2 minutes, in order to incorporate the ingredients very well. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means you are liking this recipe, so leave us here below the following message: I like the juice, so I can send you a very special greeting. And already our drink that helps you eliminate fatigue and pain is ready. I recommend you drink this carrot and banana drink at least 2 times a week, so that you always have strength and a lot of encouragement day by day. Consuming this juice will help your health a lot. I hope you make this delicious juice at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.